Hello everyone and welcome to a great day. It is Friday, Celebration Assembly Day, and we always love this day because we get to celebrate all the fantastic things the children in school have done. And this week we really have focused on challenge, but not just about the challenges of ourselves, about how we help others with their challenges, because when we help others it makes us feel better about who we are, what we are, and what we're doing. And when we feel better about things, we become better learners overall. So here we have all the awards for this week. First, we have our Going for Gold awards. And in Lee's class, we have Sky for super speedy sound work in phonics, and Laura for good listening and participation during phonics. In York 1, we have Creedy for his paint mixing skills, creating different colors, and Ruben for reading more and more CVC words in Read Write Ink. In York 2, we have David for working so hard on his name writing. Well done! And Julia for fantastic reading in Read Write Ink and always working hard. In whole class, we have Jaden for amazing progress with his writing, and Angeline for amazing progress in Read Write Ink. In Nottingham, we have Adam for super attitude and progress in Read Write Ink, and Ophi for great effort with his superhero puppet. In Liverpool, we have Anna for working really hard in all her lessons, and Zara for really listening to feedback and using it to improve her work this week. In Cardiff class, we have Leland for working really hard to stay focused on his learning, and Mary for working hard in all her lessons and always sharing her ideas. In Edinburgh class, we have George for beautiful singing every week, and Maria for always working sensibly and producing beautiful work. In Cambridge class, we have Charlie for working extremely hard this week with Miss Hutton, has been very impressed, and Olivia for showing a more focused attitude in lessons. In Oxford class, we have Tilly for working hard to complete tasks in class, and George for sharing his ideas about exploration with the class. Well done to all of our children. Let's give them a big hand. Excellent. Now we have the year of knowing me. First, we have in Leeds class, Caven for rising to the mathematical challenge of 3 or not 3. Lila for rising also to the mathematical challenge of 3 or not 3. In York 1, we have Riaz for super teamwork for group activities when it's tidy up time. And Nadia for learning at school and at home. She has been practicing recognizing her numbers. In York 2, we have all of York 2 for adapting well to the change. In whole class, we have Everly for trying her best with Read Write Ink, and Ellen for having positive attitude towards her learning. In Nottingham class, we have Grace for always being ready to learn and get on with no fuss, and Evelyn for always trying hard with all of her learning. In Liverpool class, we have Harrison for being kind and following instructions, and Izzy for asking for help in lessons when she needs it. In Cardiff class, we have Harry for concentrating carefully on his artwork this week, and Ashton for making valuable contributions to class discussions. In Edinburgh class, we have Freya for overcoming her emotions using great mindfulness strategies, and Evie for always working hard and making good choices. In Cambridge class, we have Kyle for trying his best in PE this week, and Darcy for working kindly in a group in history. In Oxford class, we have Chloe for recognizing distractions and moving herself away from them, and Casper for showing improved focus on his work. Well done to all of our children for those awards. Let's give them a big clap. Well done. Fantastic. I'm really proud of all of you for the hard work you've done. And I've also really enjoyed our singing assembly this week. It was all about how we can be kind and help each other. And it really lifted my spirits. And Jinxie loved it as well. Right, everyone. Have a good weekend. I hope you or ready for more learning next week.